Sairam students, welcome back to the online classes. Today we are going to study English, and in English what we are going to study are chapter number 3, My Wish, and the name of the poem is Zoo. Chapter number 3, My Wish, and the name of the poem is Zoo, and this is the third part of our video. And in this video what we are going to do, we will do the notebook work. So kindly open your notebooks. We will going to do the work in notebooks. Sharpen your pencils, take out your erasers and sharpeners, and do all the work in very neat and clean handwriting, and see the spellings very carefully. Do your work properly. Okay, do your work properly. Now we will do the work in notebook. So open a new page in your notebook. Okay, on this page we are going to perform our work. Okay, so on the new page write down chapter number 3. On the new page write down chapter number 3 as it is written here. On the new page write down in the first line chapter number 3 and also mention the date at above. Okay, at the above of the page write down today's date, and in the first line mention chapter number 3, and just below chapter number 3 write down the name of the chapter, My Wish, and in bracket write down the name of the poem, Zoo, My Wish, Zoo. And after this write down the first new word. Okay, after this write down the first new words. Write down first in the Roman numbers. Write down first and write down the first question, which is new words. Write down in Roman number 1 and new words. Okay, after My Wish, Zoo, leave one line and then write down in the Roman number 1 and write down the question new words. Okay, and now write the first new word. Write down the first new word, which is rinse, R-I-N-S-E, rinse, R-I-N-S-E, rinse. I'm repeating again, R-I-N-S-E, rinse. And the second word is dashing. The spelling of dashing is D-A-S-H-I-N-G, dashing, D-A-S-H-I-N-G, dashing. One more time I am repeating, D-A-S-H-I-N-G, dashing. Now see the third one. Third word is ostrich. And the spelling of ostrich is O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich, O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich, O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. When you write the spellings in your notebook, do the oral pronunciation of spellings also. Okay, now see the fourth word is splashing. And the spelling of splashing is S-P-L-A-S-H-I-N-G, splashing, S-P-L-A-S-H-I-N-G, A S H I N G, splashing. I'm repeating again. S P L A S H I N G, splashing. Now see the fifth word. Fifth word is prepared. Fifth word is prepared. The spelling of prepared is P R E P A R E D. I'm repeating again. P R E P A R E D, prepared. See one more time. The first word is rinse. Second word is dashing. Third word is ostrich. Fourth word is splashing. Fifth word is prepared. Now see the sixth word. Sixth word is scared. It's scared. S C A R E D, scared. Sixth word is S C A R E D, scared. Now see the seventh word. Seventh word is through. Seventh word is through. T H R O U G H, through. T H R O U G H, through. Now see the eighth word. Eighth word is quite. Eighth word is quite. Q U I T E, quite. Q U I T E, quite. One more time I am going to repeat the spelling. Q U I T E, quite. Now see the ninth word. The ninth word is enjoying. Ninth word is enjoying. The spelling of enjoying is E N J O Y I N G, enjoying. E N J O Y I N G, enjoying. E N J O Y I N G, enjoying. Now see the tenth word. Tenth word is bury. Tenth word is bury. The spelling of bury is B U R Y. The spelling of bury is B U R Y, bury. Now see the spellings and the words one more time. First, what we have to do, we have to mention today's date on a new page, and in the first line we have to write chapter number 3, and after the second line write down the name of the chapter, My Wish, and in bracket write down the name of the poem, Zoo. Then leave one line, and after leaving one line write down the 1 in the Roman number, and after that write new words, and in the next line write down the first word, which is rinse, and the spelling of rinse is R-I-N-S-E, rinse. Now see the second word. The second word is dashing, and the spelling of dashing is D-A-S-H-I-N-G, dashing. Now see the third word. Third word is ostrich, O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. Now see the fourth word. Fourth word is splashing, S-P-L-A-S-H-I-N-G, splashing. Now see the fifth word. Fifth word is prepared. Fifth word is prepared. So see the spelling of prepared, P-R-E-P-A-R-E-D, prepared. Okay, now see the sixth word. Sixth word is scared. Sixth word is scared, S-C-A-R-E-D, scared. S-C-A-R-E-D, scared. Now see the seventh word. Seventh word is through. Seventh word is through. The spelling of through is T-H-R-O-U-G-H, through. T-H-R-O-U-G-H, through. Now see the eighth word. Eighth word is quite. Eighth word is quite. The spelling of quite is Q-U-I-T-E, quite. Q-U-I-T-E, quite. Now see the ninth word. Ninth word is enjoying. Ninth word is enjoying, and the spelling of enjoying is E-N-J-O-Y-I-N-G, enjoying. Now see the tenth word. 10th word is bury. 10th word is bury, and the spelling of bury is B-U-R-Y, bury. Now see, after this, after writing the new words, leave one line. After writing the new words, leave one line, and after leaving one line, write down in the Roman number 2. Write down 2 in the Roman numbers, and after that write down make sentences. Write down make sentences. M-A-K-E, make, and then S-E-N-T-E-N-C-E-S, sentences. Make sentences. And your first sentence is the word from which we have to write the sentence is dashing. D-A-S-H-I-N-G, dashing. Our first word of make sentences is D-A-S-H-I-N-G, dashing. D-A-S-H-I-N-G, dashing. And the sentence with the word dashing is Bollywood stars are very dashing. Bollywood stars are very dashing, and the spelling of Bollywood is B-O-L-L-Y-W-O-O-D, Bollywood. B-O-L-L-Y-W-O-O-D, Bollywood. Okay, and underline the word dashing in the sentence. Underline the word dashing in the sentence. Now see the word second. Second word is rinse. Second word is rinse, and the spelling of rinse is R-I-N-S-E, rinse. R-I-N-S-E, rinse. So the sentence with the word rinse is we should rinse our face early in the morning. We should rinse our face early in the morning. And you have to underline the word rinse, okay, in the sentence. In the sentence, underline the word rinse. I am repeating the sentence again. We should rinse our face early in the morning. Now see the third word. Third word is scared. Third word is scared. The spelling of scared is S-C-A-R-E-D. Third word is S-C-A-R-E-D, scared. And the sentence with the word scared is I am scared of lizards. I am scared of lizards. The spelling of lizards is L-I-Z-A-R-D-S, lizard. L-I-Z-A-R-D-S, lizard. And also underline the word scared in this sentence. Also underline the word scared in this sentence. Now see children, the fourth one is, our fourth word of make sentences is hose. H-O-S-E, hose. Spelling of hose is H-O-S-E, hose. And the sentence with the word hose is he washed the car down with a hose. He washed the car down with the hose. He washed the car down with the hose. Underline the word hose in this sentence. Underline the word hose in this sentence. Now see the fifth word. Fifth word is grand. Fifth word is grand. And the spelling of grand is G-R-A-N-D, grand. Spelling of grand is G-R-A-N-D, grand. And the sentence with the word grand is she lives in a very grand house. She lives in a very grand house. And underline the word grand in this sentence. Underline the word grand in this sentence. Now see the question number 3. Leave one line after the last make sentence and then write the 3 in the Roman number. Write down 3 in the Roman numbers and write the question, answer the following. Write the question, answer the following. Okay. Now write down the first question. Our question number 1 is, which animal would you be if you like to swim? Which animal would you be if you liked to swim? If you like to swim, which animal would you be if you like to swim? Write down the answer here. Write down this answer in the next line. I would like to be a dolphin. I would like to be a dolphin. I would like to be a dolphin. And the spelling of dolphin is D-O-L-P-H-I-N. D-O-L-P-H-I-N, dolphin. D-O-L-P-H-I-N, dolphin. Now see the question number 2. See the question number 2. Our second question is, have you ever visited a zoo? Have you ever visited a zoo? Which animals did you see there? If you visited, then which animal did you see there? You have to write the answer of this question. I am repeating the question again. Have you ever visited a zoo? Have you ever visited a zoo? Which animals did you see there? Which animals did you see there? The answer is yes. And then write the comma. After writing yes, then put the comma. Yes, I have visited the zoo. Yes, I have visited the zoo. I saw parakeets. The spelling of parakeets is P-A-R-A-K-E-E-T-S, parakeets. P-A-R-A-K-E-E-T-S, parakeets. Parakeets are a breed of parrots. Okay. P-A-R-A-K-E-E-T-S, parakeets. Now, after this, write the spelling of lions. L-I-O-N-S, comma, lions. L-I-O-N-S, lions. After this, put a comma and then write tigers. T-I-G-E-R-S, tigers. Write the spelling of tigers. T-I-G-E-R-S, tigers. After this, put a comma and then write B-E-A-R-S, bears. B-E-A-R-S, bears. After this, put a comma and write the spelling of pandas. P-A-N-D-A-S, pandas. P-A-N-D-A-S, pandas. After this, put a comma and then write ostriches. Write down ostriches. Spelling of ostriches is E-O-S-T-R-I-C-H-E-S. O-S-T-R-I-C-H-E-S, ostriches. And then etc, that means etc. Okay, these are the two questions. After this, leave one line and then write down in the Roman numbers 4. Write down 4 in the Roman numbers and write down the question. Then say these words aloud. Say these words aloud. Notice the sound at the end. Notice the sound at the end. Okay, so these are the words: much, wish, both, rich, wash, switch, push, with. This question we had done in our last video, but you have to write this question in your notebook. So I am just repeating this question again. You have to write this in your notebook. Okay, so the question number 1 is, which words end in the sound you hear in the word H? The end sound of word H is ch, that is ch, that is ch. So find out the words which have the last sound ch. Okay, so in much, does it have the last sound, ending sound ch? Yes. So write down your answer as words ending in the same sound as in rich. Words ending in the same sound as in rich. First is much, then second is rich, and the third is switch. Now see the similar second question. Which word end in the sound you hear in the word fish? At the end of the fish there is a sound of sh, that is sh. You have to find out the sh sound in from these words. You have to find the sh sound. Okay, so write the answer here. Words ending in the same sound as in the fish. words ending in the same sound as in fish, wish, wash, push. Wish, wash, push. Wish, wash, push. So this is the work which you have to do in your notebook. Thank you so much. This is your third chapter. This is all about your third chapter. You had done in the book and the notebook. The name of the chapter was My Wish and the name of the poem is Zoo. So do your work very properly in a neat and clean handwriting. Thank you so much. Stay well, stay safe at your homes.